That's
okay?
Volvo Penta fuel.
Correct, that's Volvo Penta. Can you open this hatch and remove this hatch, the front hatch, please? That one, please. Okay.
It's a bottle opener.
All right.
For the Coronas.
Here you go.
Okay. It's good idea. It's good idea when you start the generator, you touch with one hand the plate of the raw water pump. Touch the plate.
I get it.
Right here.
Exactly, that's the plate. This is the plate that you need to touch immediately you start the engine.
It's hot.
Immediately you start the engine, the plate become a little hot, but immediately go down the temperature. This is an indication that the water is circulating.
No bubbles.
It's hot. No, I meant the plug is hot.
Okay, and other important thing, where is the oil pressure in that engine? The oil pressure sensor.
That one on the right?
That one, exactly, that you have in your hand, Papa. That one. Where is the transfer pump? Fuel transfer pump, low pressure pump. Fuel transfer pump, low pressure pump.
It's that, this brown one. This one.
Correct, it's that one. It's that one. That's the fuel transfer pump, low pressure pump. That's correct. Okay, where is the solenoid of the fuel injection pump? The solenoid that open and close when the fuel try to enter.
Right
That's correct.
right there.
That's correct.
Above the water
Behind
pump.
of the air filter. That
Yeah.
one. That's the solenoid.
You have to remove that if you're going to remove the fuel injection pump.
Correct.
Or you'll snap it off and then you have to go find it.
Correct.
So you're saying that comes off first if we're doing any
If you're replacing the fuel injection pump on the generators, you have to take that solenoid out. Because you can take all the mounting bolts out and you can force it out, but you're gonna snap that pin in there. Now you gotta replace the solenoid and you gotta go find where it went.
Alright, so
That's correct.
solenoid and then everything on top.
That's correct. That's the solenoid.
It's okay, Frankie. I'm not.
And where is the air filter in that engine? Exactly. That's the air filter. That's the air filter. That's correct. Okay. And where is the hose to suction the oil when you change the oil in that engine? Where is the hose?
Bottom hose.
Actually,
You see the hose with a copper fitting at the end?
the filters over there.
That one. You see? Move it. That hose.
Can you poke?
But
Oh, that right
that,
there.
Oh, this.
yeah. You remove that cap, you connect your suction pump, and you suction the oil. You
That-
change the oil.
that cap's not coming
in
off.
service, okay? In service, what you need to do? You suction the oil over there. What is the recommendation when you try to connect the pump to suction the oil over there? You connect the pump and suction immediately the oil?
You gotta run it, right?
No, of course, you run the engine 5 minutes. After that, you remove that fitting, you connect the pump, and you remove
the
that,
cap.
exactly, that cap to allow that the air enter over there. Okay, where is located the oil filter in this engine?
Underneath
There,
though.
at the bottom.
Correct. And where is located the fuel filter? Remember that there are two filters, one secondary filter and one primary filter.
Right here. Should be right.
Correct.
Automotive
correct. It's in the
electric.
bottom.
Where is it?
Where?
It's in the
On the
bottom.
screen.
Oh, the
Is that
black
black?
one.
Oh, look at the black
That
one.
blends in.
Yeah, it's because it's hard to see over there. Okay, we are going to start that generator. We are going to preheat. You press preheat for 10 seconds and hold it. Yeah, press. You hear the pump? Correct. You hold it until turn off. Excuse me, that breaker.
I remember it was like a small one like this one.
No. It's the emergency off.
So if it keeps tripping, why
Yeah.
is that?
It's because you have a short.
A short
You have a
somewhere
short
in the harness?
In the harness, yeah.
The DC like the DC.
When you open that control
this
box,
bigger?
you found the three fuses. F1, F2, F3. One of those fuses is popped, and for that reason, past that situation.
Uh-huh.
Okay, guys,
So,
that's the generator. Difficult?
I see a